Rebecca at the Yarn Barn of Kansas, and today I'm going to talk to you about row counters. This is a row counter we get from Twice Sheared Sheep. They're a small company in the US and they hand make these. They can be used for knitting needles up to size US 10.5, which is 6.5 millimeter. And they look a little different than like ones where you like rotate a number. So we're gonna put them on the needles and see how you switch them when you're doing a project. All right, so we're gonna show you how you can use these snag-free row counters. So first I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. It's just tied on with a string that I cut. And then it has numbers 1 through 0, and then there's an extra loop thing down here that we're gonna use to count our tens. And then each of these, they're all large enough to use on a US 10.5 needle, which is a 6.5 millimeter, but this can slide right over your needle and be on your work while you're knitting around. This knitting is currently on row 24 of this sock, and if I was following a pattern where I needed to do something on specific rows, that would be very helpful. So I have the marker. I moved the little movable piece up to 2 to count for my 20, and then I'm gonna put on the needle itself the 4, which is right above the 4. So this is how I know I'm on row 24. And then I can knit, and if I'm following a chart or something specific in the pattern, I can do that. This can hang forward or back. It will be out of the way once I get a little farther away from it on the needles. All right, now I'm doing magic loop on this and I'm on the back side. Now, if I was doing a chart where I repeated it on both sides and maybe I was accidentally jumping to the next row of the chart when I went to the second side in my magic loop, I would be able to come back and check, no, I'm still on row 24 because that's what's on my needles. Again, this little silver guy is marking the 10s and the one on the needle is marking the 1s. So if I was following a chart over here, I would be able to be like, no, I'm not going to the next row of the chart. I'm still in the same row because my row counter is saying I'm still on 24. So now I'll knit up to the marker on the other side. Again, you would probably use this for something that you're doing a pattern on and not just straight knitting. But if you're doing something where you have to do increases or decreases every 5 rows or something like that, this would be very helpful. All right, I'm now back to the front side where my marker is not at the edge, but is in the middle of the row. But I'll show you how I could switch from this being row 24 to row 25. When I get up to the marker, which is right here, I don't even have to pull it off the needles. I can just stick my needle down into the next number and then push it off my left needle. And now you can see here, it's in the 5 spot. So if I needed to check what row I'm on, I check for the little dangly bit, and that's in the 2, so that's 20, and this is in the 5, so that's 25. So this is good if you're someone who loses row counters or you just prefer a more visual, physical notice of when you're switching your row counter if you forget to switch it when you go to the next round. And they come in cute little designs. This one has a little sheepy on it. And we also have some other options with some other bees and blue things, and all of them fit up to the largest, up to the 10.5 needle size. So you can use them for sweaters or smaller projects like socks, which are on, these are on very small needles, and it's still totally fine. And because they're no snag, I'm not getting any of the joins from any of these caught in my work, which is even if it was like a fluffy yarn, the stuff wouldn't catch because of how they are made, which is great if you're working with yarn that can sometimes want to snag on everything. So if you're looking for a way to keep track of your stitches and maybe the typical row counters aren't working for you, this is a good option. Or if you just like something really cute, that's always a good thing to have in your toolkit. Thanks for joining me as we looked at these snag-free row counters from Twice Sheared Sheep, and look forward to seeing you use them in your projects.